और सर्विक्स 3 to 4 सेंटीमीटर का डायलिटेशन हो जाता है. ड्यूरिंग दिस टाइम द सर्विक्स बिकम्स फुली इफेस्ड. Effacement is a process by which the cervix shortens in length as it becomes incorporated into the lower segment of the uterus. The process of effacement may begin during the weeks preceding the onset of labor but will be completely by the end of the latent phase. Effacement and dilatation should be thought as a consecutive events in a nulliparous woman, but they may occur simultaneously in the multiparous woman. Dilatation is expressed in centimeters from 0 to 10 centimeter. ठीक है जी. The duration of latent phase is variable and time limits are arbitrary. However, it is usually between 3 to 8 hours. The second phase of the labor is called the active phase and that describes the time between the end of the latent phase जहाँ पे 3 से 4 सेंटीमीटर डायलिटेशन होता है और फुल डायलिटेशन तक, तो इसको बोलते हैं एक्टिव फेज. इसकी भी वेरिएबल लेंथ होती है, यूजुअली इट लास्ट बिटवीन 2 to 6 आवर्स और ये मल्टीपैरस में शॉर्टर होती है. सर्वाइकल डायलिटेशन ड्यूरिंग द एक्टिव फेज अकर्स टिपिकली एट 1 सेंटीमीटर पर आवर. तो इतना सर्वाइकल डायलिटेशन होगा, 1 घंटे में 1 सेंटीमीटर सर्वाइकल डायलेट कर जाएगा. लेकिन अगर 1 सेंटीमीटर 2 घंटे में डायलेट करा है तो फिर ये एबनॉर्मल है. द सेकंड स्टेज दिस डिस्क्राइब द टाइम फ्रॉम द फुल डायलिटेशन ऑफ द सर्विक्स टू डिलीवरी ऑफ द फीटस और फीटसिस. The second stage of labor may also be subdivided into 2 phases. The passive phase describes the time between full dilatation and the onset of involuntary expulsive contraction. There is no maternal urge to push and the fetal head is still relatively high in the pelvis. The second phase is called the active second phase. There is a maternal urge to push because the fetal head is low, often visible, causing a reflex need to bear down. ये बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट बात है. जो पैसिव फेज है उसमें मदर को कोई अर्ज नहीं हो रही, और जब सेकंड फेज जो एक्टिव फेज है उसमें मदर को अर्ज हो रही है क्योंकि बच्चा जो पेरिनियम को हिट कर रहा है. In a normal labor, the second stage is often diagnosed at this time, late point, because the maternal urge to push prompts the midwife to perform a vaginal examination. If a woman never reaches a point of involuntary pushing, the active second stage is said to begin when she starts making voluntary pushing efforts directed by her midwife. Conventionally, a normal active second stage should last no longer than 2 hours in a nulliparous and 1 hour who delivers vaginally before. Again, these definitions are fairly arbitrary, but there is evidence that a second stage of labor lasting more than 3 hours is associated with increased maternal and fetal morbidity. Use of epidural anesthesia will influence the length and management of the second stage. A passive second stage of 1 or 2 hours is usually recommended to allow the head to rotate and descend prior to active pushing. तो पैसिव फेज में ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, इतना टाइम मिले जिससे बच्चे का रोटेशन तो हो पाए, क्योंकि उसके बाद तो फिर भैया एक्टिव पुशिंग शुरू हो जाएगी कि मदर को अर्ज शुरू हो जाती है पुश करने की.